It's the tropics. Can you feel it? Need a little exotic flavor in your life? Wash away your troubles. Come play with Key West Sailing Adventure. 305-304-4911 on your next private sailboat charter vacation. You will see, taste, and feel like a local in the islands. Sail on a private sailboat charter vacation. Why wait? 3 boats to choose from, but take a look at Wild Thing. 44-foot Morgan sailboat, sensual, alluring, beautifully, tastefully appointed. Wild Thing with that someone special. Do something special on a special day or a week. Well, today, make your plans. Pick your date. Why wait? We've been making memories with people in Key West for 19 or 20 years. Who knows? 305-304-4911 since 1995. We want to be a part of the beauty, the history, the other side of the American Caribbean. It's Key West Sailing Adventure. Why haven't you called me yet? 305-304-4911. Living the dream.